Calculate the magnitude of the equilibrium constant for the reaction CH3COOH, that's ethanoic acid or acetic acid, dissociates to give acetate ions or ethanoate ions plus hydrogen ions. Given that at equilibrium, and they have given us the concentration of all three species at equilibrium. Since we have all the species at equilibrium, we have the concentration. So first thing, we need a balanced equation. We've got that. Second, we need to write an equilibrium expression, which is the concentration of products, each product, to the power of what's before it. There's no number there, so we leave it at 1. Hydrogen, and then the reactants go on the bottom, double O. So we've got no powers because there's no numbers at the front here. So there's my equilibrium expression. Then I can simply substitute in my values. This one is this. They're already in moles per litre, so I've got all the right units. 10 to the minus 2 times concentration of hydrogen ions, 1.02 times 10 to the minus 3, divided by the concentration of this one. Now often we encourage you to write out all the data first, but in this case the data was presented so clearly, we could just substitute it in. We calculate that in our calculator, we get 1.8 times 10 to the minus 5. Whenever you put an answer, you've always got to think, correct number of significant figures, correct units. In this case, this is the lowest number of significant figures, which is 2. We've got 2, 3, 3, so I leave it at 2, the lowest number. And there's no units because it's an equilibrium constant.